back to the Degelman farm. Today is going to be kind of an eventful day today. We're going to be cleaning the shed a little bit. It's quite messy in here. And then we're going to do a whole bunch of little things today. Thought it's probably my turn to get on one of these videos since everyone else gets turns but me. Thought maybe if I steal my dad's clothes and gloves and hats and bibs, maybe you guys will view it a little bit more, or he'll just get really mad. One of the two. But we're gonna give you a quick time lapse of cleaning the shed. It's pretty chilly today. It's about -7 outside, but the sun is shining. It's a beautiful day other than it is cold as shit. So we're gonna get the shed picked up here. It's kind of a mess from over winter working on all these different projects and everything, and got some organizing to do and sweeping, and we're gonna take the sled out for a little rip around the ditches. We don't really have enough snow in Minnesota yet. I don't know how much we got here in Princeton. Couple inches. Enough to fill up the ditches, not enough to ride trails yet. Some people are, not to my standards. So, yeah, we'll get straight into it. Enjoy. So, first step to cleaning the shed, we gotta get the snowmobile out of the way because we're gonna try to focus mainly on this wall today and just getting all this stuff swept out. This side is kind of just like not really like get in and go. Tommy tried to clean the shed. Never again. Just kidding. But we're gonna get the snowmobile moved out of the way here. Actually, we might get both of them moved out. We'll see how much space is left. And then we'll start taking everything off the shelves, wiping it down, and putting it back up all organized and stuff. That's about 12 years in the making right there, and now my dad's got me to do it, so we'll get right into it. Already warmed up the sled a little bit. Got about 98 degrees, 3 bars up. That's my dad's sled, 2021 Renegade 600. We haven't ridden at all this year. I went in the ditch a few times, but you know, like I said before, not really enough snow to ride on. Yeah, little fun fact. We got the sled out. I think we're gonna keep the 03 in, just because it's not really in anybody's way. So, yeah, we'll start probably in this section. Well, I think that's gonna end today's video. We cleaned the shed, went on a little ride. Ricky lost his bone somewhere. We're gonna have to try to find that. I don't know why he brought it with. So that will conclude today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe down below. Thank you.